Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make squirrel sea bass or pinecone sea bass. This is actually one of the most popular fish dish from Beijing because of the crispiness of the fish and the caramelized sauce, and it's really a good dish. In restaurant, usually we serve the whole fish with head and tail, and it's look like a squirrel. But if you cook at home without the head and tail, it's look like a pinecone. And it usually only served in a restaurant. And today I will show you to do it at home, and it's very easy. In this recipe, I will use about 1 pound striped bass fillet. The fillet should be about 1/2 inch thick. I use 2 egg yolks slightly beaten, some fresh ground peppers, 1 cup of corn oil, 1 to 2 cups of cornstarch, a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons gin vodka or vermouth. First, you rub the bass with salt and rinse under cold water and pat dry the whole fish. Marinate the fish with gin. When you score the fish, you have to use a very good sharp knife. You should score diagonally. First, you cut the fish wide. Then you cut the fish lengthwise, making a cross cut. The cut should be down to the skin, but not all the way through the skin. Rub the fish first with egg yolk. Then getting the egg yolk all over the inside of the cuts. Then you coat the fish with cornstarch. The cornstarch should go all over the fish, and then shake off the extra cornstarch and set on the side. Heat the corn oil to about 375 degrees in a non-stick pan. Then you add the fish skin side down and spoon the oil constantly over the fish until the flesh is hard and crispy. Then set the fish aside and drain all the oil. For the sauce, we will use 1/2 cup of cilantro and 1/2 cup of scallion, fresh basil, 1/4 cup of candied pine nuts, it's option, 2 garlics thinly sliced, 1 small carrot peeled and finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water, 1 cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. In the saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add the sugar and caramelize the sugar. Then add the garlic, ginger, carrots, soy sauce, vinegar, and ketchup, and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of stock and the cornstarch mixture. Turn the heat to simmer and cook about 15-20 minutes. If the sauce is getting too thick, you can add more stock to thin it a little bit. Put the sauce over in a bowl and set on the side. You can top the fish with scallions, then pour the caramelized sweet sauce over the fish. Also, you can make the sauce ahead of time, like a day before, and just warm up in a microwave oven. Decorate it with pine nuts. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You can always download the recipe and description below. Happy and healthy cooking, and see you next time.